afternoon, everyone. We are out here right off I-30 with the 2022 Jeep Gladiator high altitude. Look at this beautiful thing. Out here at Campbell Dodge Jeep Ram in Benton, Arkansas. I don't know exactly spec size of the entire property, but I've heard 40 acres, I've heard 27 and a half acres, I've heard. There's just a lot of land here. We have 300 plus pre-owned, 200 plus incoming, new, lots of vehicles today. Campbell Dodge Jeep Ram, 501-361-3803. Absolutely gorgeous. Hopefully you have a great weekend planned. Let us know if you're going to go see the Jurassic Park movie. We're really excited about that. The Jeep products are going to be featured on the Jurassic Park movie. Yes. Out here at Campbell Dodge Jeep Ram. Got some Gladiators. Yes. Let's go look. I pulled the key to this Grand Cherokee as well. And I have several vehicles parked over here for us to look at. The second one, the 2020 Jeep Compass. You see over there, I have the keys to that. We're going to cover that next. Again, if you're just joining us, we're out here at Campbell Dodge Jeep Ram. We're at the new building. We don't come over here very often in the afternoon. Typically a lot of activity down at the pre-owned department because we got 300 plus vehicles, cars everywhere. Look at this beautiful design. Let us know where you're watching from today because we'd love to know. I look at the analytics every single day. Get pushed out to Texas, New York, New Jersey. I got a lot of Jersey guys, East Coast, and gals. When I say guys, I mean everybody, okay? Out here at Campbell Dodge Jeep Ram in Benton. It's absolutely gorgeous today. We got our service department, parts, all that. Grand Cherokee. So this is the new redesign. Look at how beautiful that is. A lot of you, when I first saw these delivered, I thought they were Grand Cherokee L's. These are the 2-row. Oh, actually, this is an actual, I did it again, Grand Cherokee L. So this is a 3-row. There's a 3-row and a 2-row version. So make sure you know which one you're talking about. Oh, goodness. Hey, Luke Hammonds, thanks so much for joining us today. I got keys. I stole keys. No, I'm just kidding. Mike Hatfield. This is Grand Cherokee L, and to me, to the untrained eyes, the Grand Cherokee and the Grand Cherokee L look a lot alike with the new redesign. So I'm going to open up the back door for you. Look at this beautiful thing. The Grand Cherokee, see, the only way I can tell is the L, and it has the 3rd row. Out here at Campbell Dodge Jeep Ram in Benton. I know, I wish I had a salesperson to help me, but they're all busy helping people. We have the Alfa Romeo Stilvia and one on the showroom floor too. We have the Alfa Romeo Giulia as well up on our pad up here at Campbell Dodge Jeep Ram. Do you see it? Right there to the left? Right there. The Wrangler up there as well. We have Alfa Romeo brand new vehicles. How awesome is that? Look at this panoramic sunroof, y'all. Are y'all seeing that? Let us know where you're watching in the comments, please. This is Desiree. I'm out here at Campbell Dodge Jeep Ram. Just trying to get a sales representative that can help explain how beautiful this is. I wish y'all could smell. I wish we had smell vision so that you could smell. Oh, hello, Amir, Francois, Mike Hatfield. Luke, thanks so much for joining us today. Let us know where you're watching from. Curious what the gas prices are where you're at. That's always my favorite game, my fun game. But obviously, if you're buying a huge SUV, hopefully gas is not an issue, but just curious to know. Out here at Campbell Dodge Jeep Ram. Hope you have a great weekend planned. If you get to see the Jurassic movie, let us know how you liked it. You're supposed to. We're out here at Campbell Dodge Jeep Ram. Hey! They said that we lost connection there, but we're back on. Yay! Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. It is Friday, y'all. Hopefully you have a great Friday night and Saturday and great plans for the weekend. Hopefully if you're gonna go see the movie, let us know if you liked it. I want to know. The new Jurassic movie is gonna have Jeep products in it. That, and also let us know if you see the Top Gun movie. I absolutely love my time that I spend with DNT Media out there at the Saline County Regional Airport getting ready for Wings Over Bryant. Y'all Google that. There's a website, Wings Over Bryant. It's an event that we're having at the end of, not this week coming up, but the next week, the 24th and 25th. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. There's going to be something about a Frisbee, and there's going to be something about a Challenger. So y'all want to watch. Follow us on Facebook. I know if you see us live doesn't necessarily mean you follow us on Facebook, so check us out on Facebook. Campbell Cars. We have all the inventory online as well. Now we do have some vehicles that are not necessarily listed because they're incoming. Okay, that means they just arrived. Like some of the Alfa Romeo products you may not see online yet, but they will be shortly. We try to cover them as soon as they get in, that way y'all can see. Let me know. And again, I did not know that I was sitting, or I was getting in a Grand Cherokee L. I love these things. I did not know. Let's get the features there. Out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, the next vehicle that we get in is going to be the Jeep Compass. I have that information tag there. Let us know what you'd like to see more of. On the showroom floor, I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland as well. No, this is the Grand Cherokee L. Okay. Let's stack up there a little bit. So let's go back one. Use that. Now the Overland on our showroom floor, it has the Macintosh sound system. This has an Alpine sound system. See? Alpine. Very nice, very comfortable. Let's look at the huge sunroof. Look how big this is. That's massive. It's absolutely gorgeous. We're out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Benton, Arkansas. It has been a very long day, but we appreciate each and every one of you. We hope you had a great week this week. Look how big this panoramic sunroof is. It does have the sunshades in the back, which is a nice feature. Let's look at let's see. So we talked about this morning on our live, auto stop and start. You can turn that off. If you don't like that feature, you can turn that off right there. Let's check out the vehicle information. Rear view camera, nice. There's different options. You can have it tilted, back. Wow, back, front, back, front. How cool is that? Close that out. Family cam. Check this out. Look at this. You can watch your babies in the third row. You don't have to scream at them. You can just watch them right here and see, all from the convenience of the driver's seat or the passenger seat, the co-pilot seat. How cool is that? Say hey, babies. I wish there was someone else on here with me today, but it's okay. Let us know where you're watching from. Hey, Annabelle, Corey, thank you so much for joining us today. Luke, let's see if I can read. Olivia, Corey, Annabelle, Frank Lockhart, thanks so much for joining us today. Jose Guiato. We are out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, just chilling in a Grand Cherokee L that I thought was a Grand Cherokee. Because, you know, anyways, it is what it is. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're just chilling. If you have any questions or if you need anything, let us know. We like to make it fast, friendly, fast, easy, and friendly. I'm trying to close this. Okay, so I'm gonna probably should. There we go. Automatic close. How beautiful is that? Got tons of vehicles out here. I am on the new side. Like I said, there's 27.5 acres. Someone said that there was 40. That would make sense because I feel like I've been walking for miles. We have all types of vehicles, y'all. We buy vehicles as well. So if you have a car that maybe is not so nice anymore, you're just not really happy about it, we'd love the opportunity to possibly buy your vehicle. We can do that remotely, but best scenario would be come and visit us. And our location is at 7800 Alco Road, Benton, Arkansas. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. 501-361-3803 is our phone number. You can call or text anytime. What do y'all think about a lot of the look at, you have snow mode, sand and, what does it say? Sand and mud. I've got to get new contacts. Snow, auto, and sport. What do y'all think about the shifters being dials? You think that's cool? I think that's so cool. But I'm just curious, do you like the shifter being... Hey, Jose. What do you think? Let us know where you're watching from today. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Benton, Arkansas. Let us know where you're at or today and what you're driving. How much is gas where you're at? It is $4.53, it says, for unleaded right here. $4.53 at the Pilot. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Benton, Arkansas. It's a beautiful day. We've got this Grand Cherokee. And I got really confused because it has the L in the very back, y'all. What do I mean by that? Because the new Grand Cherokee L has 3 rows, and it's hard for me to tell whether it's an L or a Grand Cherokee, which means a 2-row. So even I make mistakes. Absolutely. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram here in Benton, Arkansas. We're going to turn this off. We'll go get into the Renegade over there because we really, really need to sell it. It's a beautiful vehicle. Great for maybe a first time purchase. We do help people build up their credit. So Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, 501-361-3803. There are scenarios that we can definitely help. I don't know if let's see. Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, Benton, Arkansas. Jeep Limited right here. We have the keys to it. Driving it around very comfortable. And I have the gray Gladiator as well. But we got 2500s, 1500s. We have, these are all brand new vehicles right here except for the green Compass. So these are all brand new. Now when we go live in the afternoon, we're usually at the used car department, so all those are pre-owned. We'll get into this beautiful Gladiator. Now it's, I think, the same build as the blue one that you see in the notes. So, but don't worry, because I have the sticker right here and we can go over that as well. Out here at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram in Benton, Arkansas. We've got 2500s in as well. We got 1500s, 2500s, a Dodge Hellcat Red Eye came in on a truck yesterday, and then we also had a Jeep Wrangler 392. So got a lot of vehicles, very exciting stuff happening at Campbell Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Let's see. Let us know if you go see the Jurassic Park. Hey, Austin, Justin, Austin, Rod Martin, thanks so much for joining us today. Let us know where you're watching from today. We always like to know where you're watching from. Now, I will preface that we try to act on our comments. We try to comment right back, but apparently Facebook might be having some issue. A lot of the accounts we cannot respond to. So don't think we're ignoring you. Thank you so much for the comments. Keep the comments coming. But we can't respond to them from our company account. So I might have to go in there and you'll see Desiree